Okay, my name is Azman Yusuf and I will present the introduction of the project. Okay, first of all, first main goal is to provide people with a fully functional computer system. And second, scope, a separate building of computer laboratory of 4,000 shifts. And number three, software to be installed, which is Microsoft Office 365.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Muhammad Al-Farih bin Mak Faizal. Today I want to share you about project organization. For our project is design and development of computer room building for SMK Pago. Okay, we have 5 positions in our projects. After we create group, we discuss each other and then we voting for position for each position. Okay, for my position is leader. My task is project schedule and resources schedule. I need to plan schedule for this project, like what we want to do and we want to go to prepare our project. Then my assistant CEO leader is Azino Harmi bin Yusuf. His task is budget, schedule and conclusion. Then, after we find CEO leader and leader, I need to put security. That is Wan Daniel Faruqi bin Roslan. Wan Daniel Faruqi, his task is like Azino Harmi, budget, schedule and conclusion. So, Azino Harmi and Wan Daniel Faruqi we've discussed each other about budget, schedule and our conclusion in this project. Then we find leader, CEO leader, security. Then we need a project manager for our project. So I choose I and Zino Armin choose Fahmi bin Hazadi to become project manager. His task is project introduction and project organization. Why I choose this because he has a skill about skill to introduce our project and he more knowledge in our project. Then assistant project manager for assistant Haziq Fahmi is Diki Tan. His task is statement of works. This is for our project organization in our projects. So we all doing our part by due date of time. Thank you.
Okay, moving on to our next slide. So for our next slide, I'm going to explain to you the statement of work, or known as SOW. As you can see, this is the step we approach to make sure our school project in installing a fully functional computer system at SMP Pago. So for the first step, designing the computer room building, which we create a plan in the placement of where we are going to install our computer system at SMK Pago. Next is the obtaining necessary approval and a permit. Next is to procuring computer workstation and software, which we have to set up the installation of the Microsoft Office 365. And moving on to next is to setting up computer workstation. We have to make calculation on how many computer needed in SMK Pago. And next is to test and ensuring functionality of the computer system we install. Moving on to next is the constructing the computer rooms building according to the plan we create. And the final step is to install the Microsoft Office 365 software in the functional computer system. Moving on to the next slide.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Haziq Fahmi. Metric number CN220108. I will present about the major milestone schedule. The first one, project initiation. Duration was from 10 April 2024 until 13 April 2024. In this phase, the project team will establish the project's goals, determine its stakeholders, and assemble its personnel. Secondly, design and approval. Duration from 13 April 2024 until 16 April 2024. The architect will be responsible for the computer room, buildings, architectural drawings, and securing all required license and permission. After the approval, procurement duration from 8 May 2024 until 10 May 2024. The procurement officer will determine what supplies and equipment are needed, get quotes, and handle computer, workstation, and software license. The quotation begins from 10 May until 23 May 2024. The construction team is responsible for carrying out the actual construction of the computer room, which includes clearing the land, construction, the foundation, and installing it. After the construction finish, with installation and configuration from 2 June 2024 until 4 June 2024. Along with installation Microsoft Office 365 software and configuration the computer system correctly. The IT professional will also set up the workstation. When the installation complete, we proceed testing and training from 26 May 2024 until 3 June 2024. In this phase, teachers and students will receive instruction on how to use the computer system, as well as verifying its functionality and detecting any flaws. And lastly, the project closure duration was 30 May 2024 until 7 June 2024. The finalization of document, getting approval from all relevant parties, and formally turning over the computer room to SMK Pago are all part of the project closure phase. That's all. Thank you.
Now, I would like to present about the budget schedule of our project. The projected budget delineates the anticipated expenses associated with the project. It includes the price of project-related expenses like building, installation, procurement, and training. So, the estimated cost for the construction is Rm 850,000. The estimate cost for computer workstations is Rm 38,000, and the cost for software license is 3,560. Then, the estimate cost for electrical infrastructure is 25,200. Later, for the training and support, the estimate cost is 25,000. The estimate cost for the miscellaneous is Rm 150,000. And finally, the estimate total budget is Rm 1,091,000.